Unlocking English Idioms. Grasping, latch onto. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners: latch onto. This idiom can unlock a whole new level of expression for you, and we're here to explore its meanings and uses together. Let's latch onto the essence of this phrase and fully understand how it can be used in everyday English. Firstly, it's helpful to understand the literal meaning. A latch is a type of fastening that joins two objects together. To latch onto something means to attach firmly to an object. Imagine a gate that latches onto a post, securing it in place. This physical action is the foundation for the metaphorical uses we'll see next. Moving beyond the literal, latch onto is more commonly used in a figurative sense. When someone latches onto an idea or a plan, they adopt it enthusiastically or become very interested in it. It's as if their mind has firmly closed onto the concept, much like a latch. To see how latch onto is used, let's look at some examples. Grasping a concept. She quickly latched onto the new software programming techniques being taught. Developing an interest. He latched onto jazz music from a young age and became an excellent saxophone player. Becoming attached to people. The young puppy latched onto its new owner immediately. Each of these examples demonstrates the versatility of latch onto in expressing a strong connection or attachment, whether it's to an idea, hobby, or even a person. It's important to note that latch onto can have a negative connotation if it implies an unwanted or inappropriate attachment. For example, the paparazzi latched onto the movie star, following her everywhere she went. This sentence suggests an excessive and potentially invasive level of interest. The phrase can be varied slightly, maintaining its meaning but adding diversity to your speech or writing. Catch on to, cling to, hold on to. These variations can often be used interchangeably with latch onto, but remember to consider the context and the connotation they may convey. I hope this exploration of latch onto has helped you grasp the many ways this phrase can enrich your English communication. Whether you're latching onto new words, concepts, or interests, language learning is an exciting journey. Thank you for joining me, and keep latching onto new learning opportunities. See you in the next video.